If that turns out to be anything. Yeah, it's gonna be one of those nights. See how it just changes? See how the colors just change? I don't change that on my camera. I think my camera does that automatically. Bought a new phone today. I just got to go pick it up tomorrow. I think I got one. Look at the white in the very middle. Very middle. Yep, I got one right here. There he is. See him? He's below the clouds. I think that's Junior. Yay! You notice how they're not zigzagging like they used to? I think they realize I'm just looking at them. I wave at them every time I see them. I got to post a picture I have of like an arrow. I mean a hand. Looks like a hand made out of clouds waving, and then I found an arrow pointing at the hand. Yeah, so this is Junior. He's right over my head. Everybody have a good look. Say hi. Okay, Junior. We'll see you later. Okay, see up there, they're blinking. That's the government, guys. That's the government. That's our your U.S. tax dollars watching the drones and watching me watch the drones. I mean, the drones watching the UFOs. So he saw me and he ran behind the tree, and that's no exaggeration. See the government? That's him making his lap around the lake. Right now, he's over the lake. Yep, they're always nice and low. And the reason I know it's the government is because these type of things with the flashing lights didn't show up until after I contacted National UFO Reporting Center. So they sent out a bunch of these drones. See how the red light popped up there? They sent out all these drones without contacting me and telling me anything. And I know it's them because the FAA has certain regulations, no matter what, that things in the air have to have flashing lights, something like that. But it makes sense to me as far as a safety thing. These guys are flying around without flashing lights, and who knows, another normal person's drones might hit it. Anyways, I think that's it for him. He's having about as much fun tonight as I am.